Guys, Welshie from Welsh Tech. Well, actually, my name is actually Richard, so this is Richard from Welshie Tech. Um, this is PC build part 2. This is me going to show you about installation of a power supply and doing cable management at the back. I'm going to show you my cable management, and then I'm going to give you some tips and... Okay guys, this is Welshie from Welshie Tech. This video is featured by Overclockers. Overclockers in the UK is the #1 online gaming computer hardware and system retailer, providing the highest quality parts, full gaming systems and service to gamers for a better experience. Also, they're doing promotions at the moment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you want to buy something on overclockers.co.uk, the actual link for this site will be in the description, so make sure you check it out. They've got everything from a basic notebook all the way up to a gaming notebook. They've got everything from custom cooled and everything. So make sure you check them out, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is Welshie out. This is my power supply. It is a HX 1000. Yes, a little bit overkill for an 8600K, 16 gig of RAM, 1070. Yes, it's a little bit overkill, but with me, it's all about having a platinum power supply, modular, fully modular. It's all about that efficiency. It may not actually hit the 50% load, but it's also overclocked. My CPU was overclocked to 4.4 gigahertz. I can get the 4.7, but it's a little bit unstable depending on the scenario. My graphics card, that is just, it's a Strix edition of the GTX 1070, so that's already factory overclocked, so I haven't got to touch that. My memory XMP profile is enabled, so I can have the full benefits of having my RAM running at a perfect speed for me. So what I'm going to show you is this. Now, this is basically how you do it. It's not hard. It's quite easy. Things have gone a lot easier over the years from when I was a kid. I mean, when I was a kid, paying like someone 50-60 quid just to come out and do a partition reinstall of Windows, and then when I got older, then I actually realised what he was doing, and then I started doing computers myself. And then that guy lost business from us because I wouldn't allow him to touch it again. But yeah, oh well. If you're dishonest with customers, you're dishonest in life. That's what I say. If you're going to say you're going to do a fresh install of Windows XP back in them days, you should have done it, even if it takes hours. If you were paying someone to do something for you, it doesn't matter what things. If you don't think you don't get what you paid for, then do yourself, and then screw them. That's what I say. Alright. This is basically the principle of installing a power supply. Oh, blimey. Okay. Right, so with this is how you do it. This is all it is, right? You mount it in, put it in where the slots are. Now with me, I've actually got little rubber mounts, so it keeps it nice and tidy there. That's all it is, you just grab a screw, you screw it in, power supply installation isn't very difficult. I mean, it's never really been difficult, to be honest, but now I've always had Corsair power supplies from when I started. Obviously, when I first started doing computers, I mean, Corsair was still out there, but right, yeah, look, see, that's it there, nice and tidy. Now I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to do a bit of movement and stuff, and then things I don't like, I did it for you, but still. So yeah. This is cable management. Now, as you can see, I've pulled out some of them. But as you can see, the cable management, it's run through here, down, and then across. Now, with me, obviously, now because I've got an AIO, which is a Corsair one that has Corsair Link. You know, it comes with extra cables like that, but obviously there's only so much you can actually do. Unless you're actually an experienced PC builder, which I'm not experienced a lot. I'm not very experienced. I mean, you know, I've got 10 years experience, but mainly self-taught. I mean, I did actually do like a thing when I was younger for computers. I worked an entire summer down my area at a computer place. He taught me everything I knew, everything about web design and all this type of stuff. I mean, you know, if it weren't for him, I wouldn't have a clue by right now. But you know, big cable ties. Pull these by here. Now, obviously, you've got to be careful doing these type of cables. Now, with me, you've got to be careful because you don't want to hit your certain cables. Now, all you got to do is this. You know, just cables down here. You can do that with cable ties. Now, best thing about personally, I like using the Velcro straps, but obviously, you haven't got to always use Velcro straps, but you know, a little bit tidier. You know, a little bit tidier. Now, what the cable ties are brilliant for is getting all the cables that you want to tidy up, like these here, and you just go like this, like that. Now, where you've got Velcro straps here, it gives you that opportunity, and everything starts looking nice and tidy. Best thing about cable ties is obviously you can actually cut them. That's the best thing. Now, from what you saw in the beginning of the video, it doesn't, as this case has got like a buff, it's normal back panel, no temp glass, no windows or thing. I mean, I haven't really had to worry about cable management because obviously it's hidden behind a metal door. So, I mean, I haven't really had to stress about it. But obviously, if I'm going to show you, then obviously I'm going to have to do it correctly. I mean, you know, as long as you run all the cables back here, I mean, you know, your 24 pin, I mean, like, as you can see, my 8-pin CPU one is right here where it's meant to go. I mean, years ago, I used to go literally across there, but if you've got a good case with good cable management, like this one, you can run it across where it's got these Velcro straps here to actually Velcro them. So yeah, you know, you just put them right around here like that, and up here, lovely, done, you know. So, but yeah, the general idea is getting all these bunch of cables here, actually bunched up there. So it's nice, it's, you know, it's just so you can get your panel flat. Now, let me just sort this out. Actually, just make sure. Just cable tie there for a minute. There we go. Right, now you take the back panel, okay? Back panel, and you do this, like this. As you can see, no bulging. No bulging, nothing at all. It's just nice and flat. So yeah, I mean that's about it really. I mean, this is me doing my PC build. Obviously, if you want to learn how to do fans and stuff, I mean, they're quite easy to install. All you do is really just put a fan there, You get the actual included fan screws and just you just do it up really. But obviously with me, I've got these two Corsair fans at the front, as you can see. But they're actually the fans off my AIO, because I'm using the actual included case fans from my Fantex Enfield Lux, because they are a lot quieter when it comes to full load. Now these in the front, they literally sound like a jet engine going off. Now these hit, I think it's 3000 RPM, and trust me, they literally sound like a jet engine setting off to go. And I've got them set so when I put the actual computer on, they ramp up for about 3 seconds. I mean, full out now for 3 seconds, just to get some airflow, and then they go completely silent. You don't hear them, I don't even hear them. And I've got on my desk, so I mean, that's important for me, because obviously if I'm on my desk, I don't particularly want those fucking things in my ears bugging me like crazy. So yeah, so right, well, that's cable management from Welshie. So talking about cable management, talking about computers, this is a perfect idea to do a segue into our featured items. This is for overclockers.co.uk. Overclockers got the best computer service in the United Kingdom. They also have the best quality parts, best quality service in the United Kingdom. They also, with every purchase, you get a bag of Haribos with every delivery. Wow. Go check that out. The actual link for that will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is Welshie out.